see, I get some hole for the tie-in because we have to adjust the current ampere some little high and we grind. And we start to tie in the root pass for the closing. Okay, this process is what we call the root pass. And after this, after close this one, is what we call the hot pass. And after that, after the hot pass, we have to change the polarity of our welding machine for the negative charge because we use small stick for the final, for the capping and so on. As you see, I'm on the top of the refinery. It's a live gas plant. So the cell phone is strictly prohibited here. I'm on the top of the cooling fan. And that's all. Thank you. All staff New Zealand. Bye.